These are the brand spanking new elevators at...
I had to be back over there by 12:30.
Yeah.
Okay?
All right, the time is 12:11 p.m.
12:11 p.m.
All right, these are the brand new elevators at the brand new April Sampson Cancer Center here in Lincoln, Nebraska. And these are brand new Schindler, probably 338 or 400As with standard HT vandal resistant fixtures. Let's call it. So here we go. We got the left car.
Car 1.
This is car 1. Now L, lower level. Door lock does not work because it's a Schindler. Oh, see, these are 33A. Oh, they're hydraulic. You're a lower level. Takes forever to level.
Okay, remember we had to go level 1, okay?
Let's go back up to 1. And before I exit the elevator, we'll take a look at the inspection. It's a typical Schindler elevators. Nothing too special. These are your fixtures. HT vandal resistant. There's your phone up there. 3,500 pounds capacity. No inspection date.
Okay, let's go.
This was installed of probably 2000 or something.
Okay.
And there she goes.
Okay.
And
That's it.
bye.
Bye.